going to have Microbit Fun Challenge. This is the 4th theme for this year. So for your information, Microbit Fun Challenge is not a competition. So it's just a platform for students, for teachers to come together and we learn and explore together and we do challenges together, but it's just for fun. Yeah, so it's not a competition, but every month we will have lucky draw winners. So I welcome everyone to participate, to submit your project, and we will have three lucky draw winners for each team. Okay, so every first Wednesday of the month, I will review the team. And then on Saturday, like this morning, we get together and then we explore some samples together. And then we do the project code. So this is open to all, even teachers can join, yeah? Teachers, anyone, okay? So what do you need to do? First, okay, based on the theme given, for example, this month, the theme is microbit pet. So we're going to build project together. And then step 2, you need to take a video of your project. Okay, so you upload your project to your microbit, you take a video, and then you get the link, and then you submit to us. So for your video, you can upload to Google Drive, YouTube, or Facebook. Okay, and then you fill out the Google form. Okay, the Google form link, I will give to you in Telegram group, so you can get the link. Later, I will also share here the link for the Google form. So you just fill in the form with the project code and the video link. That's all you need to do. And then next month, you join us again and we will have the lucky draw, okay, for the 3 lucky winners. So this is the theme for this month, Microbit Pets. Okay, Microbit Pet. So it's not a real a dog or cat or fish. So it's going to be a digital pet, okay, with your microbit. Okay, jadi untuk adik-adik semua ya, tema untuk bulan ni adalah microbit pet. Okay, bukan haiwan peliharaan seperti anjing, kucing, ikan ya. Kita akan buat dengan microbit. Okay, jadikan microbit seperti haiwan peliharaan kita. Dia perlu kita main dengan dia, perlu kita bagi makan, dia perlu tidur, semua. Okay, jadi kita akan buat bersama-sama nanti. Okay. Jadi seperti yang saya terangkan tadi, kita akan bersama-sama explore. Lepas explore, kita buat projek, kita ambil video dan share link ya. Okay, link dengan sample code, masukkan Google Form, hantar kepada saya. Okay, dan next month kita akan ada lucky draw, kita pilih 3 pemenang. Okay, akan dipilih secara rawak lah. Okay, jadi adakah semua sudah bersedia? Are you ready? So if you are ready, maybe you respond in the chat by typing number 1. If you are ready, type 1. Okay. Okay, Yiting is ready. Sophia is ready. Okay. All right. Okay, everyone's ready. Okay, good. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can explore and learn more on your own. Okay, so with microbit, it's not just in Malaysia. So students all over the world are using microbit to learn coding, to learn computing, and so on. Okay, so there are a lot of resources online that you can explore, that you can use to learn programming. Hi Sophia, I can see you now. Hi, so good to see you. Okay, jadi hari ini Cikgu Cheryl akan berkongsi lah bagaimana anda boleh belajar coding dengan microbit. Jadi microbit ni bukan di Malaysia saja ya, memang di seluruh dunia pelajar-pelajar belajar dengan microbit. Jadi ada banyak bahan, banyak tutorial online. Okay, jadi hari ini saya perkenalkan. Jadi kalau ada laptop, okay, Sam, Sophia, Eating, if you have your laptop with you, what you can do is you open Google or any browser, and then you go to microbit.org. Okay, I'm going to show you. You can follow along. Okay, if you type microbit, and then the first one here, microbit.org. Okay, you will see a page like this. This is the main page for microbit. So I'm going to show you where you can go to get lots of project ideas. Right at the top, do you see? Can you see my screen? Okay. Sophia, can you see my screen? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, thanks to Shane for the response. Okay, so if you're on this page, you can go to projects. Okay, when you click projects, you will see this page with make it, code it. Okay, you click on make it, code it. It will bring you to this page with lots and lots of projects. Okay, do you see this? Okay. Okay, so here, for example, at the beginning, you have heart, beating heart, animated animals. So these are very simple projects. So it's here labeled beginner. Okay, beginner. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you will have more advanced projects. Okay, a lot of beginner projects. Scroll down some more, and then here you start seeing intermediate projects, meaning slightly more challenging. But don't worry, you can click and then just follow the tutorials. They are step-by-step guide to help you. Okay. So do you see this? Microbit pad. Okay, this is what we are going to do for today. Okay, so let's click. Okay. Okay. For each of the tutorial page, right, you will have, you will see something like this. Okay, kalau buka page tutorial untuk project, akan adalah step-by-step guide. Contohnya sini dia ada introduction, lepas tu sini dia ada video. Video guide ni dia akan ajar step-by-step cara untuk buat programming. Okay, and then if you scroll down, it will tell you what you will learn, apa yang akan dipelajari, how the project works, and so on. Okay, so before we go into the step-by-step guide, before we start building, I'm going to show you this video first. Okay, so this video will explain what we are going to do. Okay, let me open here on YouTube.
Chasing that A and want to save time on proofreading? Grammarly makes editing one click simpler.
Okay.
Electronic pets were in.
Okay, just checking. Can you hear the sound? Sam and Sophia, can you hear the sound of the video? Yes? Okay, good. Then I will start showing the video. This is a short introduction to microbit pad. Okay? Okay, let's watch together.
Electronic pets were invented in Japan in the 1990s and soon became a popular toy all over the world. They're small gadgets that you can keep on your keyring. A creature is shown on a simple display. You have to look after it, interacting with it by pressing buttons and playing simple games. If you ignore it and don't feed or clean it, it will get sad, misbehave, or become unwell. You can create your own simple electronic pet with the microbit, and the new built-in speaker makes it even more fun with the new expressive sounds. This one says hello when it's born. It gets sad if you ignore it. Then eventually falls asleep. You can tickle it by pressing the logo to make it happy. Make it giggle by shaking it. But if you leave it alone for too long, it stops working. In the next video, I'll show you how to code it and customize it to make your own microbit electronic pet.
Okay. Okay. So that's the introduction. So now you know what we are going to do for microbit pet, right? Are you ready to do the coding? Yes? Okay. If you're ready, then go to microbit.org. You open the Make Code Editor page. Do you know how to open this Make Code Editor page? Okay, I will copy and paste the link in the chat. If you're not sure, then you just click the link in the chat and then you will see this page. Okay. If you are ready, then you click, okay, you start a new project, yeah? Okay, click new project and then name it microbit pet, or you can give it a name. Cheryl's microbit pet. Okay. Okay, put your name in front so that later I know whose pet it is. Like say they won't go missing. So here, this is Cheryl's microbit pet. I'm ready. Okay, create. Okay, ready? If you are ready, then you just type in the chat, ready. R-E-A-D-Y, ready. Okay, Zushien's ready, Fiona's ready, Yiting's ready. Okay. Then we go back and look for the coding guide, okay? So we will follow along. So the video is in English, so we will watch the video and I will pause and then we will do it together, okay? I'll
To make a
explain
simple
in
electronic pet with a new microbit,
the app later.
first draw a face on the LED display when it starts and add the hello sound. Hello is one of the new sounds you'll find under music. Scroll to the bottom and look for the V2 blocks. We'll keep track of how long your pet has been ignored.
Okay, we stop here first. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, we are going to show LED. Okay, create the expression and then play hello on start. Okay, so you try to do this. Okay, kita akan cuba mula dengan yang ini. On start, kita show LED. Lepas tu mainkan bunyi hello. Okay, jadi ini adalah blok baru untuk microbit V2. Okay, jadi saya akan buat bersama juga ya. Okay, mari kita buat bersama. Okay, jadi on start, pergi ke basic. Okay, letak yang show LED. Okay, dan kita lukis muka. Okay. Kalau nak tukar, nak design muka lain, silakan. Okay, up to your creativity. Okay. Okay, kalau nak buat yang smiley face ke, nak buat nampak lain ke, okay, ikut suka hati lah ya. Dan seterusnya kita nak tambah untuk music. Kita akan gunakan V2 ya. Okay, V2 sebab dia ada built-in piezo buzzer. Dia ada bunyi dia. Okay, kalau yang tak ada V2, kalau yang guna V1 perlu tambah buzzer dan guna blok lain lah, blok music yang lain. Jadi kalau yang ada V2 boleh letak play sound. Okay, play sound. Dan sini kita boleh pilih. Kita nak pilih hello. Okay, jadi dah. Okay. Part 1 saya dah siap. Bagaimana dengan adik-adik? Okay, Sam dah tunjuk okay. Bagaimana dengan yang lain? Dah okay ke? Kalau okay, type okay dalam chat. Okay, kalau okay, kita continue. Okay, what's the next step?
Ignored for by making a new variable called timer. Next, add the blocks to make it happy when you touch the logo. Set the timer to 0 and show a happy face on the LED display and play a happy sound on the speaker. Test it out in the simulator. Now,
Okay, kita pause di sini. Jadi kita akan continue dengan part kedua. Part kedua tu bila on logo press. Okay, yang ni logo dia. Okay, nampak tak? Yang ni microbit. Okay, pada papan microbit ada logo. Okay, jadi yang ni adalah V2. V2 logo dia warna emas. Okay, dan dia adalah touch sensor. Maksudnya dia boleh detect bila saya tekan. Okay, saya press. Okay. Jadi kita buat sama-sama. Okay, pergi ke input. Okay, pergi ke input. Okay, scroll ke bawah sampai jumpa blok untuk V2. Okay, V2 dan kita mau yang on logo pressed. Dapat cari tak? Okay, kalau dah dapat, keluarkan. Okay, take out on logo pressed. And then next, it says that we need to create a variable. Okay, kita perlu create variable. Okay, macam mana nak create variable? Kita buat sama-sama. Okay, pergi ke variable. Variable. Make a variable. Variable tu dalam BM pun boleh ubah. Okay, so we're making a variable. Okay, click make a new variable and then we name it timer. Okay, namakan dia timer. Okay, boleh? Timer. Okay. Bila kita dah buat variable timer, dia akan keluar blok baru lah kat sini. Timer, change timer by set timer to. Okay, so what you need to do is take out set timer to 0. Okay, keluarkan blok set timer. Kita masukkan sini. Okay, on logo press set timer to 0. Okay. Dan selepas tu kita nak show icon gembira. Okay, bila kita sentuh logo, dia akan gembira. Kita tukar ni kepada happy face, smiley face dia. Okay. Dan kita nak mainkan bunyi. Okay, bunyi. Dan kali ni kita pilih happy. Okay, nampak tak? Okay, dah siap bahagian ni. Okay, jadi maksudnya setiap kali saya press logo, dia akan tunjuklah muka gembira, dia akan mainkan bunyi. Okay. Okay, dan set timer kembalikan ke kosong. Okay, jadi kita boleh masuk balik sini. Sini ada simulator. Okay, saya buka bagi besar supaya semua boleh nampak. Okay. Okay, jadi yang ni on start tadi, muka ni. Okay, dan bila saya tekan logo, sentuh logo, dia gembira. Okay, seperti kita haiwan peliharaan kita, kalau kita main dengan dia, kita sentuh, belai, when we pet, then it will be happy, right? Okay, so far so good. Macam mana adik-adik semua dah berjaya buat ke sampai sini? Did you manage to do until this step? Sam, Fiona, eating, how are you? Everything? Dah settled? Okay, this part good? Okay, Shahan, hi. Yes, okay, everyone's ready? Okay, then we continue to the next part, okay? Sophia, okay ke Sophia? Sophia, okay? Boleh? Okay, kita continue Sophia? Same? Okay, let's continue. Okay, what next? Now we're going to do to the on shake. We're going to shake it.
Find the on shake block and copy the blocks you just used. Change the icon to a surprised face and play a different sound. I've chosen giggle. Use the forever block to make.
Okay, so I'll leave. Can you see the screen? Okay, so if those who can follow, you can build this part on shake, set timer to 0, show icon, and then play sound giggle. Okay, for Sophia, I'm going to show you where to get the play sound. Okay. Okay, Sophia, can you see my screen? Okay, yes, okay. Sophia, to get the play sound you see is red in color, right? So it means that it's a music block to do with sound. So from here, you look for a red category drawer. Okay, so it's actually in music. All right, music, and then you scroll down, and then you will get this microbit V2. Okay, and then play sound, giggle, until done. So this is the new block. They combine it together. Okay, until done. Okay, play sound until done. And here's a tip for everyone as well. sekiranya anda perlu cari satu blok dan tak tahu nak ambil dari kategori drawer yang mana satu, okay, boleh gunakan search function. Okay, so for all students out there, let's say if you are building a block and you're not sure where to find it, you know, whether it's in basic or input category drawers or so on, what you can do is you can use the search function. It's right here at the top of the drawers. Okay, and then you just type, just now we are looking for the block. Okay, Sophia was looking for the block play sound. So you just type play sound and then all the relevant blocks will be here. It will come out. Okay, so you can choose from here. So that's one tip on how to find the blocks that you need. Okay, so now I need to complete my block. Okay, so I'm going to do shortcut. I know I'll be using similar like this one, so I can duplicate. Okay, jadi yang ni adalah satu cara lah. Okay, saya boleh guna duplicate, tapi saya nak tukar kepada onShape kan tadi onShape. Okay, so onShape is from input. Okay, onShape. Okay, and then I will just take from here, bring to onShape. And then I am going to change. Just now they changed to, is this the correct one? Is this the correct expression? Correct, right? This one? And then change to giggle. Okay, I'm done. How about you? Let me check. Okay, Sam is done. Okay, good. Good job, Sam. Fiona is done. Eating done. Awesome. Okay, Zixuan is still doing. Almost done. Okay, we wait for you. Shahan done. Good. Okay, so next we are going to build the timer part. Okay, this one I don't need this one already, right? So I'm going to throw this away. If you don't want something, you throw it into the dustbin. So where's the dustbin? Here. Ta-da! Okay, throw away the blocks that you do not need. Okay, so let me check in the chat. Zixuan is done. Good. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Let's continue.
To make the timer count up, pause for 1000 milliseconds, 1 second, and then change the timer variable by 1. Add an if block and slot in an equals comparison block. Put the timer variable in the first slot and then the number 20. If the timer is equal to 20, we'll show a sad face and play a sad sound. Right-click and pick Duplicate to copy these blocks twice. Change the first one to 30 seconds, sleepy icon and yawn sound. Finally, use 40 seconds and the mysterious sound. Now, because if you've left your pet for so long we want it to stop working completely, we need to do a few clever things. We'll turn the built-in speaker off.
Okay, I pause here first ya. Okay, saya pause ini dulu ya. Kita buat step by step. Okay, jadi yang tadi kita akan buat yang timer. Kita akan masukkan timer. Okay, jadi jangan risau. Saya akan buat bersama-sama step by step. Okay, kita go back to sini. Okay, saya cuba besarkan sikit ya supaya nampak. Okay, boleh ke? Okay, jadi sekarang kita akan buat untuk yang forever part. Okay. Dah ready semua? Kita boleh nak besar sikit. Okay, forever. Okay, first of all, pergi ke basic. Okay, pergi ke basic. Keluarkan yang ni, pause millisecond. Okay, jadi kita sini kita kena tukarlah Okay, jadi ingat pause block ni dia guna unit millisecond. Okay, jadi kalau 1 saat, 1 second is equivalent to 1000 millisecond. Okay, jadi sekarang kita nak 1 second. 1 second tu 1000 millisaat. Okay, so pause for 1 second and then we change the timer. Ingat lagi tak? Tadi kita buat variable timer. Timer ni kiraan masa lah, kiraan masa. Jadi setiap 1 saat dia akan tukar timer dia. Kira 1, 2, 3. Okay, what count by the second. So every second change the timer by 1. And then next we're going to go to logic. Okay. Okay, so far can follow? Go to logic. Okay, take out if, then. Okay, take out this one, if, then, and then, okay, you scroll down and get this comparison block. Okay, boleh jumpa comparison block, ada satu yang ada equal sign. Okay, kita masukkan, okay, we want to check the timer. Okay, forever check the timer. Timer tadi dari variable. Okay. Okay, I slow down a little bit. Okay, sekarang kita pergi ke variable. Dari variable keluarkan block timer. Jadi maksudnya kita nak dia sentiasa check. Okay, sentiasa. Okay, forever sentiasa check. Sekiranya timer terkeluar pula. Okay. Sekiranya timer dia kira sudah sampai 20 saat. Okay. Okay. Setakat ini okay ke? Okay. Okay, kita cuba fahamkan blok sini dulu ya. Kita cuba fahamkan. Sentiasa. Okay, okay. Tunggu 1 saat dan setiap saat tukar timer by 1 lah. Jadi maksudnya dia akan sentiasa masuk, tunggu 1 saat. Okay, timer jadi 1. Okay. 1 saat lagi dia change timer by 1. Maksudnya dia tambah 1 lagi. Timer, variable timer akan jadi 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Dia akan terus buat forever. Dan dia akan check. Check sampai timer dah sampai 20. Maksudnya dah 20 saat. Jadi apa yang kita nak buat? Oh, 20 saat. Pad kita sudah sedih. Okay. Dia sudah sedih, tunjuk muka sedih. Oh, sedih sebab kita tak hiraukan dia 20 saat dia dah sedih. Okay, dah sedih, kita play sound. Play sound. Set. Oh, pet ni nak kita sentiasa main dengan dia. So for this pet, we have to play with it. If we ignore it for 20 seconds, the pet will be sad. Okay, so this is the first part. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a few more. Okay, kita tambah. Okay, lepas 20 saat dah sedih. Okay, nak kita duplicate. Okay, duplicate. Okay. Lepas 20 saat sudah sedih, sekarang kita tukar. Kalau dah 30 saat, apa dia buat tadi? Oh, sleepy face. Dia dah nak tidur dah. Dah nak tidur. Kalau kita tak main, lama-lama tak main dengan dia, dia akan rasa, oh, bosan. Okay, yawn. Yawn. And then it will go to sleep. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, before I continue. So far until this part, okay, do you need time to complete these two? Okay, Zhixian is very fast. Zhixian is done. Okay, how about others? Sam, okay, good. Sophia, okay ke Sophia? Okay, done. Okay. Bagaimana dengan yang lain yang tak ada bagi respons tu? Semua boleh follow ke? Okay. Okay, let me check who is in the room. Okay. Ada adik Xiang Ying, Shahan, Muhammad Danish, ada ke? Harish dan. Okay, thank you for the response. Ada lagi adik Nuranis. Okay, ada banyak, ramai dalam. Oh, ada Cikgu Wong Chai juga ada, cikgu. Hai, cikgu. Okay, done. Okay, jadi we continue. Kalau dia dah lama-lama kita langsung tak jaga pad tu, apa akan jadi? Okay, yang sini, salah tempat, masuk di bawah sini. Okay, lepas 40 saat, dia akan mainkan bunyi mysterious sound. Mysterious sound, okay. Kita sambung balik tengok video, okay? Tengok apa yang dia buat seterusnya. Okay, sambung balik.
Off to stop it responding to shakes and tickles. You'll find the Set Built-in Speaker Off block in Music with the other blocks for the new microbit V2. We also need to keep the same icon on the LED display, so we'll use a neat trick to keep it there. Go to Loops and pull out the While True block and wrap it round the Show Icon block, which will change to a skull. This While True block is an infinite loop. It will keep showing the same picture on the LED display until you turn your microbit off. If you do want to bring your microbit pet back to life, just press the reset button on the back and it will be born again. There are lots of ways you can modify this project to make it your own. Add your own animations and pictures and create more interactions by pressing button A or button B, or make the pet respond to loud sounds like claps. What exciting electronic creatures will you create with your microbit?
Okay, dah. Mari kita siapkan kod. Yeah?
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet. Who's that? Let me check. Okay. Are you up to this part?
Yes.
Okay, then let's continue together. Okay, so now it says if timer is equals to 40, meaning we ignore the pet for a long period of time. Okay, kalau haiwan peliharaan kita tak jaga, lama-lama tak hiraukan dia, tak main dengan dia, tak bagi makan, tak interact dengan dia, dia akan lama-lama dia akan mati. Okay, betul? Jadi kita buat dia play mysterious sound. Lepas tu kita disable sound. Maksudnya selepas tu dia tak akan keluarkan bunyi dah. Okay, kita disable. Okay, dapat tak? Kat music. Di music, blok yang paling bawah sekali, dia ada satu. Set built-in speaker to off. Okay, maksudnya kita off-kan speaker ni, yang keluarkan bunyi tu. Off-kan dia. Okay, so get the last block from the music category. So basically we want to turn off the speaker. So the pet died, right? So it's not going to make any more sound. And then next, we want it to show that the pet has died, right? So what we're going to do is we get from loop, there's this block that says while do. Okay. While do ni dia seperti satu loop lah. Dan sini while do tu false tu kita tukar kepada true. Okay, change false, change to true. So meaning while true, okay, do this. So just now it says show the skull one, meaning died already. Okay, this one. Okay, or you can also draw your own if you want. You can design your own image. So basically this block is saying, you know, keep showing this on the screen. Okay, and it will stay like that. Okay, you cannot do anything else. So the only way to restart is to press the reset button, or you unplug and replug in your USB cable. Okay, so I think that's it for all this sample code. So what we're going to do next is we will test it out on the simulator. Okay, so we can turn on the simulator. So this is our code. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. Okay. On start, it will show this face. Okay. And then the timer will start running. 1, 2, 3. It will count up to 20 seconds. Okay. Up to 20 seconds. Okay. And then it will feel bored. See, you will feel bored. Okay, it's already showing you I'm bored already. Play with me. Okay. And then what next? It fell asleep. Dah tidur dah lebih dah 30 saat. Dan nanti sampai 40 saat nanti dia akan mati. Okay. Dah keluar bunyi misterius. Lepas tu dah mati. Okay. Kalau dah mati tu, kita buat apa-apa pun dia tak ada respon sudah. Jadi kita kena refresh lah, kena restart. Okay. Okay, sekarang saya akan download ke microbit saya dan tunjukkan pada microbit lah. Okay. Do you know how to download to microbit? Adik-adik? Do you know how to download the code? So just now was on the simulator, right? So now we want to download this simulator code from the macro editor. We want to download it to the microbit. So we just click download. Okay. That will transfer it to your microbit. So I need to plug it in. Okay, then I need to look. It's not coming out. Let me try again. Download. Is it flashing? Okay, look for microbit. It's not detected. Okay, look for microbit. Oh, it's auto downloaded. Okay, pad already. Okay, downloaded. Okay, it's here. Zixuan, yes, but I don't have my robot right now. It's okay, Zixuan, you can try on the simulator, and when you have your robot, you can try it to your robot. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, and then if I touch the logo, it will show the happy face, right? Okay. Okay, it's happy when I touch the logo, sayang. Okay, when I pet it, it will be happy. And then if I shake it, then it will show the face. Okay, yeah. Okay, thanks Fiona for sharing your code with me. Good job. Okay, I'll share Fiona's code. Fiona, is it okay if I share your code with everyone in the chat? Or maybe you share, you share to everyone in the chat. Okay. Okay, thank you, Fiona, for sharing. Okay, so this is a very simple project, and if you have, a microbit, you can try to download it to your microbit, and then you can bring your pet with you and show your friends or your cousins. You can play with it together. And this is just an example, so you can build in more function. Okay, maybe we can explore together. Okay, you can add more timer. You can add more timer, and then if you go to input, there are even more. How to say? You can have on button A press, button B press. Okay, this is one. On button A press, you can make it do something. B press will do something else. A plus B, so another 3 inputs, okay? Okay, jadi kalau kita tambah block on button press, ya, kita boleh tambah, kita boleh program dia. Bila kita tekan butang A, pad kita boleh menyanyi. Tekan butang B, dia akan buat apa lagi? Boleh tunjuk animasi A dan B, okay, dan seterusnya. Dan selain on button A press, ada juga blok lain, okay. Tadi kita dah explore on shake kan. Bila kita shake, dia akan tunjuk muka terkejut. Tapi kalau kita klik on shake ni, dia akan keluar banyak lagi. Okay, boleh nampak ke? Boleh besarkan lagi tak? Let me try. Oh, dia keluar kecil je. Tak apa. Okay, ada you can try di komputer masing-masing. You boleh klik on share tu, dia akan keluar ada pilihan, ada on logo up. On logo up maksudnya macam ni. Okay, logo dia di atas. Okay, jadi kalau on logo down maksudnya kita terbalikkan dia, logo di bawah. Okay, logo down. Screen up tu maksudnya, screen tu dia refer kepada sinilah screen. Kalau screen up maksudnya dia macam ni. Nampak tak? Screen dia menghalang ke atas. Okay. Kalau screen down, lepas tu dia ada tilt left, tilt right. Okay, dan free fall ni janganlah, free fall tu dia terus jatuh. Okay, jadi sini kita boleh tambah logo up, logo down, screen down, tilt left, tilt right. Okay, pelbagai jenis interaksi. Okay, dan di bawah ada lagi. Okay, bawah.
Cheryl, 3G tu apa? 3G, 6G tu?
Dia detect dia punya apa acceleration tu. Okay, kita explore Okay. Okay, contohnya kalau ada mana-mana blok yang kita tak pasti bagaimana nak guna dan sebagainya. Okay, cikgu boleh cikgu Noh kan tadi, cikgu Mas Nita.
Amira.
Okay, cikgu boleh klik sini, ada keluar help kan? Okay, bila kita klik help, dia akan keluar window seperti ini dan dia akan bagi penerangan lah bagaimana nak menggunakan blok tersebut. Okay, yang tadi kita yang 3G tu dia ada explanation dia kat bawah dia. Mana ni 3G, 6G. Okay, jadi yang 3G ni kita boleh guna untuk kesan bila dia macam impact dia lah. Maksudnya gaji tu dia sikit, dia impact sikit dia dah boleh detect. Kalau yang 8G tu dia kena yang lagi macam mana kata, macam crash lah, car crash, dia punya impact lagi kuat. Okay. Okay, jadi yang next, selain tu kita boleh terklik pula. Yang ni klik dia akan buka lagi banyak lah dia punya explanation. Okay. Jadi tadi selain tu kita ada satu lagi yang on loud sound. Jadi on loud sound ni untuk microbit V2 lah ya. Microbit V2 dia ada mic. Dia boleh detect bunyi dan kita boleh set lah on loud sound bila ada bunyi kuat. Contohnya kita nak buat, bila ada orang tepuk tangan, suruh pad tu tunjuk animasi menari ke. Okay, sebagai contoh lah. Ada satu lagi yang logo tu. Okay, yang ni tadi kita guna on logo press. Maksudnya kita sentuh, dia detect, kita tekan dia punya logo, dia akan buat sesuatu. Dan selain press ada lagi 3. Touch tu maksudnya touch. Press tu maksud press tu dia combine touch and release lah. Bila touch and release dia kira press. Okay, touch tu bila kita sentuh, release tu bila sentuh dan dilepaskan. Long press tu maksudnya kita sentuh lama-lama, kita hold lama-lama. 3 saat macam itulah. Okay, jadi yang ni adalah different triggers. So all these here are additional triggers that you can try. And then if you add on other triggers, then you can also add on timer lagi panjang. Okay, maksudnya bagi dia lama sikit lah baru mati kan. Okay, macam tu. Okay. So this is an example for today. So what we did was I shared with our students the various resources available on microbit.org. Jadi untuk cikgu-cikgu semua jugalah. Okay, kita boleh sama-sama explore dengan pelajar. Okay, saya ulang sekali lagi. Pergi ke microbit.org. Okay, kita boleh pergi project dan make it coded. Okay, dan di situ ada banyak projek yang kita boleh buat. Okay, jadi dia dah categorize dari beginner sampai ke intermediate, sampai ke advanced. Ada banyak projek yang kita boleh explore bersama-sama. Okay, so students, you can try this on your own. Or teachers, you can try this with your students in the class. And for most of the projects, you can see the output in the simulator. Kalau yang perlu external tu, bolehlah cuba dengan yang microbit quick start kit ke for the crocodile clip and all the extra components. So depending on the projects lah. So I think most of the projects you should be able to complete with just the microbit board itself. Alright? Okay. Dan selain sini dia juga ada lain-lain lah. Ada teach Kalau untuk teach tu dia lebih kepada for teachers, so it will be with all the lesson plans, with all more details for teachers. Okay, so that's it for now. And any questions? Ada apa-apa soalan ke untuk projek, untuk tema bulan ini, microbit pad? Jadi yang tadi kita explore yang tu adalah salah satu contoh. Jadi untuk yang fun challenge, saya mau adik-adik, cikgu-cikgu pun boleh cuba ya, boleh cuba sekali. You plan your own, design your own pad. Okay, design your own pad. Saya nak tunjuk juga, selain pada microbit board ni, saya suka tengok ada mana, okay, kejap saya tunjuk contoh. Microbit pad tutorial. Dia ada satu. Mana dia? Okay, saya nak tunjuk contoh contoh yang mereka buat. Yang tadi kita explore, kita buat untuk yang coding. Lepas coding saya haraplah nanti adik-adik nanti boleh buat projek macam ni. Dia very simple, dia just guna cardboard, guna ice cream stick. Dia jadikan ada bentuk lah, ada bentuk 3D. So this is the animal. Tak tahu haiwan apa dia. Okay, lekatkan board pada binaan anda, projek anda. Bolehlah macam ni. Okay. Oh, this one, what is this? Let me see. Oh, this is a fish tank. Okay, a fish tank, and then the fish. This is one example. Yang ini apa ya? Bunny rabbit Okay. Yang ni spider. Spider ke? Spider pet. Okay. Jadi yang ni projek, contoh-contoh projek yang adik-adik boleh bina lah. Okay. Comel-comel, just lekat your microbit board. Ini okay, ada banyak contoh. Yang ni burung ke? Atau burung kot. Okay, so you can use recyclable materials. Boleh guna kotak, boleh guna plastic container. Yang ni dia ada apa guna lagi? Ice cream stick, penutup botol, apa-apa yang ada di rumah. Boleh guna untuk bina pad masing-masing. Dan bolehlah lekat microbit board pada tu. Okay, dan sini saya ada apa? Ada kucing. Yang ni pun boleh. Yang ni pun boleh. Yang ni ada kucing. Okay, yang ni quick start kit. Jadi nanti adik-adik dah bina projek nanti boleh share dengan, boleh share lah di Facebook ke, di YouTube ke. Dan bagi link hantar dalam Google Form. Okay, dan nanti kita akan buat lucky draw. Okay, jadi yang ni untuk bulan ni. Okay, sebelum kita pergi kepada lucky draw untuk team 3, ada apa-apa soalan ke atau feedback daripada adik-adik ataupun cikgu-cikgu yang bersama kita di Zoom? Any questions? Yes.
I nak share projek I boleh ke?
Boleh.
Can I share screen?
Yeah, sure. Let me stop sharing first.
Just to share lah untuk anak adik-adik kan. Get any idea.
Sekejap cikgu, saya stop share. Lepas tu saya bagi.
Kena bagi saya kebenaran.
Ya, betul. Kejap. Mana nak buka? Okay, I kena tukar dia punya setting. Cikgu cuba, saya dah allow.
Okay, alright, this one.
Boleh ke?
Nampak tak? Nampak ke tak?
Kejap saya punya belum keluar ke dia kita. Dah nampak.
Dia nampak apa Dia nampak apa kejap saya punya screen dah ke mana-mana.
Alah, bijik lah aku ni.
Nampak tak Syara?
Nampak.
You nampak apa?
Nampak screen cikgu. Okay. Ada nampak video.
Okay, tapi saya tak sure lah dia ada bunyi ke tak. Tak apa, you tengok je lah. Ada bunyi ke?
Comelnya.
So, bila kita clap, so tangan dia akan bergerak lah macam tu.
Comel.
Ini daripada kotak yang orange ke? Orange yang Saitran punya tu. Ini ada mata dia. Dekat tengah-tengah ni dia ada dia punya perkataan lah yang keluar. So boleh decorate daripada situ je lah. Kerja kot.
Menarik.
Kejap saya tak jumpa macam mana nak stop sharing ni. Macam mana nak stop sharing Kejap Stop sharing.
Dapat ke kalau tak dapat?
Okey dah. Okey dah. Dah stop kan?
Menarik cikgu. Nanti cikgu boleh share kat Telegram jugalah bagi yang lain yang tak masuk Zoom, nanti dia boleh tengok. Ataupun hantar kepada saya pun boleh, saya boleh tolong sharekan.
Okey.
Menarik. Jadi adik-adik dapatlah idea ya. Jadi yang tu satu contoh, okey? Satu contoh yang sangat menarik. So nanti adik-adik boleh try lah, okey? Jadi selain tu ada yang lain nak share ke? Sebelum kita pergi lucky draw untuk tema 3. Ada ke? Kalau tak ada, kita pergi lucky draw. Okay. Ada nampak skrin saya tak? Nampak tak? Okay. Okay, jadi saya ambil dulu. Okay, jadi yang sini yang masuk untuk challenge 3, saya copy. Masukkan dalam wheel of names. Masukkan. Okay, dah ada. Okay, lepas tu saya nak besarkan dia. Mana pula full screen? Okay. Ya. Okay. Jadi yang ni kita adalah adik-adik, ada cikgu juga yang submit ya. Jadi kita memang open to all. Jadi nanti bila dah buat untuk tema 4, anda juga isi Google Form tu, dah hantar. Nanti bulan depan bila kita buat demo session, at the end kita akan kita akan ada lucky draw lah. Okay, dah sedia semua? Saya rasa ramai daripada cikgu Tola, cikgu Masnita kan? Okay, yang lain pun boleh buat ya nanti. Okay, the first one. Adik Muhammad Akif bin Alif. Okay, yay! This is the first one, the first winner. Adik Muhammad Akif Alif. Saya ambil gambar, takut nanti lupa pula. Okay. Nanti saya akan list down all the winners. Okay, the next one. Okay, next winner. Rasa-rasanya siapa yang boleh dapat Adik Sofia ke? Oh, sikit lagi adik Sofia. Okay, yang kedua adik Nur Jana binti Muhammad Faiz. Dan satu lagi, last one ya, last one. Ada nama cikgu Kot Chai. Dah terlepas. Cik yang dapat Amira. Okay, Amira. Okay, 3. Okay, siap. Okay, jadi nanti adik-adik semua juga boleh cubalah ya untuk tema 4. Okay, tema 4. Saya harap semua boleh cuba, boleh buat projek dan ambil video, share dengan kami sekali dengan sample code. Okay, jadi sampai situ sajalah sesi kita untuk hari ini. Okay,